Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Otto Addo contemplates on how to use players with dual roles at club and Black Stars. Don't miss out. Get your daily dose of sports news straight to your phone. Join Yen's Sports News channel on WhatsApp now. Ghana coach Otto Addo has disclosed that he faces the challenge of finding the best positions for his players who have dual roles at their club and with the national team. The Black Stars named a 25-man squad for Ghana's Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers against Sudan next week. He listed Antoine Semenyo, Inyaki Williams and Jordan Ayew as forwards in the team to face Sudan on Thursday. However, the coach is left with the dilemma of who leads the attack after the attack, with all three players turned to wingers despite starting their careers as strikers. It is always a challenge with what positions players play at their club level and with the national teams. It is always a challenge, he told reporters, as quoted by Ghana Soccernet. You mentioned those two players, maybe Jordan in addition. You know, it's not about the player, it is about the team, and we have to see what is best for the team. If all are playing as wingers, we still need someone who play the number 9. Whatever I do, I will do something that maybe is not equivalent to the position at their team. For me, the most important thing is the team. And for us as the coaching staff have to think about the best possible solution where we think each of our players can harm our opponents. The Black Stars head into Thursday's game desperately needing a win to revive their hopes of qualifying for the Nations Cup in Morocco. Ghana started the qualifiers with a defeat to Angola before sharing the spoils with Niger in Morocco last month. Angola sit top of Group F with 6 points, followed by Sudan with 3 points, and Ghana and Niger are third and fourth respectively, per ESPN. Earlier, Yen.com.gh reported that head coach of Ghana's senior national team, Otto Addo, has named a strong team for the upcoming Africa Cup of Nations qualifier against Sudan. The Black Stars will engage Sudan in a doubleheader in October with hopes of reviving their qualification hopes for the 2025 AFCON tournament. Missing from the squad for the third consecutive time is captain Jordan Ayew, who is currently unattached since leaving French outfit Le Havre at the end of last summer.